This one here, the color is exactly what we want.
Agreed. The spines are softening. We can pick these this afternoon.
Gently now, slowly down. I have it, bring it here.
Pull that tight. We don't want anything shifting on the road. Got it. This should hold.
These are the freshest jackfruits in the market.
I'll take 10 crates at that price. Make sure they are firm.
Make sure this crate is full before the truck arrives.
Yes, I have the next one ready.
Okay, set it down right next to the others. Watch the refrigeration line. Copy that. Looks secure.
Temperature looks good. Let's start moving these inside. Roger that. Facilmente.
Freshly washed, the young green jackfruits arrive on the preparation line. Our trained team carefully inspects each one before the mechanical preparation begins.
Temperature is holding steady at 90 degrees.
Consistency looks perfect, initiating the cooling cycle. The moisture content and consistency look perfect.
I agree. The seasoning is evenly distributed across the fibers. This batch meets the specifications.
Make sure those jackfruit pallets are stabilized before moving to rack 7. Roger that, almost secured. Send the next load down the main aisle.
Okay, bring the jackfruit pallet straight back to Bay 4.
Copy that, Bay 4.
That's the last pallet of the jackfruit. Roger that. Sealed and ready.